Hello and welcome back to What's Inside. Today we're looking at Galactic Empires Series 5 expansion packs, Time Gates. These expansions are now what we call booster packs. This is a sealed box, so we're going to open this up and open a couple packs and see what we get. This is the 5th series. We've also seen Primary Edition, which was Series 2, the original Series 1, and hopefully we've seen Psychic Wars by now. If not, we'll open that in one of the later episodes, but we will have seen most of them. There's also a German edition, a Universe edition, Persona, and Piracy. So if we're able to find some of those packs, because I'm pretty sure I have some around, they are pretty expensive these days, so hopefully we can open some of those too. In the meantime, this is Time Gates. Let's see what we got in this box. These were put out by Companion Games in the mid-90s. These were harder to find because the popularity was kind of waning by then, at least in my area. Alright, let's pull out 3 packs here. As you can see, these aren't as shiny as the first couple of boosters. These have 12 cards from the Series 5 set. The science fiction trading card game. There's 152 cards in this set. Alright. And the cards are noticeably higher quality than the first set especially, and some of the later ones. So let's see what we got here. We've got Time Guardian. We've got Time Ship. You can see the quality of the cards is definitely improved with the art and the layout of the cards too. And these are from '95, by the way. We've got Base Thrusters. We've got Resource Theft. We've got Cyber Cyst. We've got Invasion Force. We've got an Intercept Action. We've got Out of Season. Time Wave. Mirror Skinned Phaser Eel. By the time you say his name, he's attacked you. Discard Exchange. And the Well of Time. And that's the first pack. Let's see what we've got in pack number 2. Alright, we've got a Crew Capture, a Time Evacuation, we've got a Time Fiend, a Criminal Judge, a Cessation of Events, a Temporal Freighter, a Trophy Hunter, a Lost in Space, an Unlucky Crew Action, bit of a silly picture, Stasis Container, Base Relocation, and lastly we have a Phaser Distorter. Alright, let's look at our third pack of 12. See if we get some other awesomeness. Packaging is definitely a lot better, and so are the cards. They're definitely higher quality than the previous sets in my opinion. They continue to improve at least with each set, so it's a little disappointing they didn't last longer. Surak Breed, a Shipping Delay, Quantum Occurrence, Temporal Correction. Another Surak breed. Time Skip. Time Expansion. Time Enclave. Temporal Mechanic. Cranked Timeline. Sequential Continuum. And lastly, another Surak breed. But this one's a foil. It's very faint, and you might not be able to see it on the screen, but the white area here is foiled. Let's see, let's pull out one of our other ones and compare the two. As you can see, the image here is different. This image is definitely changed here. He's got a little wand in his hand now, and it is foiled, barely. So this is obviously some kind of rare. Let me check it, see if the text has any discrepancy. This card... Looks like the text is the same, but it's a little off-center. The letter A here is different on this card. So, where this one is on the next line, on the last line, this one is on the second to last line. Yeah, second to last and third to last, whatever. You get the idea. But the image is different on the art itself, as well as having slight foiling. So this is some kind of rare. And this is a C6 as opposed to a C1. So it appears we pulled a rare here. And I do love foils, as you all know if you've been watching this series. I have an obsession with foils. So I'm very glad to have seen this. So that's a great way to wrap up this episode. Thanks for watching us open the Galactic Empires Time Gates booster packs. Maybe we'll open some more in another episode and hope for some more foils. In the meantime, that'll do it for this episode. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time on What's Inside.